Hi guys, it's Charla from That Girl Cooks Healthy. So today I'm going to show you how to make this really easy, delicious, Caribbean inspired vegan bean salad. So the first thing I'm going to do is to make the dressing for the salad. So what I'm going to do is I have some balsamic vinegar already in a small bowl, but you can use any type of vinegar, and I'm just going to add the extra virgin olive oil to that. And when I add that, I'm just going to add some agave nectar. You can add maple syrup or any other type of sweetener of your choice if you want to. And then I'm going to add my dry ingredients, which are my ground mustard, garlic granules. You can use garlic powder if you want to, some black pepper and some pink salt. And then I'm just going to quickly stir all of that in to make the dressing and then put it to a side. So now I'm going to show you how to make the actual salad. So I have a large bowl here, and I'm going to add all of the beans or legumes, should I call them. So I'm adding my chickpeas, then I'm adding some red kidney beans. I know them as peas, but some people refer to them as red kidney beans depending on where you're from. And I also have some brown pigeon peas, also known as gungo peas. If you're from Jamaica, then you'll know them as gungo peas. So just add all of those now, and then I'm gonna add the other ingredients next. So now I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. So I'm just adding some avocado, but I also know it as pear. Then I'm going to add some scallion and cucumber, some fresh thyme, and some shadow benny. If you can't get shadow benny, then you can use coriander or cilantro instead. So any of those will work. So now that I've added all of the ingredients that I need to make the salad, I'm just going to grab a large spoon now, and I'm just going to mix all of that together. So you want to make sure that you get a big enough spoon and a big enough bowl to mix all of those ingredients together. So now we're going to take the dressing and we're just going to pour it all over the salad. And then once we do that, we're just going to grab that large spoon that we used in the first place, and then we're just going to mix all of that dressing into the salad. And that's going to really optimize the taste and make it taste really, really good. So you really want to make sure you just get in there with that spoon and keep turning until all of that dressing is on those ingredients. So that's how you make your vegan bean salad. Thank you so much for watching the video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.